You say I do nothing, about nothing all the time. I say babe give me gravel, and I'll make you wine. We say of each other, you fill up my cup. We had over a year, and we fucked it all up. There once was a day, when we'd sit and play. We'd sing sweet love songs, we'd never go wrong. We grew cold with the fate of the winter's last days. No more did we play, we just faded away. A day to remember, was one that I missed. You proved to me, no existence of bliss. A broken-backed camel, lay dead at my feet. And as much as I'd like, I can't find it to weep. So babe sit away, you do suffer so well, your own paradise, your own private hell. The smile on your face, is a mask of veneer, you think your sweet words, will drown out your fears. Cigarettes, Ashton slippers, old gown in disarray, hair been done with your fingers, you're ready to start your day. Shuffle to the office, you move in a cloud of gray. With the Dodgers and the bastards, your world's in a bad way. The tragedy in the way you think, that happiness abounds, but underneath gay trappings, it's you your black dog hounds. The road to paradise, is scarred with memories dark, and the one that keeps the prison, is the one who has the key. Written and performed by a Mac computer, one beautiful spring day.